What's up, guys? You're watching Prank for You TV, and this is your host Zabish. This time we have asked some weird and uncommon questions, and let's see what we got. What type of boy you want?
Decent boy.
Sexy. Sexy. I think he needs a she-male. So यार he needs a she-male.
You need a she-male?
He needs a she-male.
हम बहुत बोलते हैं, वो कम बोलता है, सुनने वाला हो बस मेरा एक.
She should be very innocent and should be in hijab.
Smart, loving, handsome, caring.
He has no need to be rich.
I don't think.
He can marry a beggar.
Something like that, no?
And what do you want? What kind of partner you are searching for?
Well, kinda adventurous and a curvy one, basically.
Okay, a curvy one.
Yeah.
What kind of girl you want?
Big boobs
Okay.
and fair.
Complexion.
Yeah.
Decent, handsome, rich and handsome यार handsome होगा rich होगा तो चलेगा और responsible होना चाहिए, अच्छा होना चाहिए, caring होना चाहिए, loving होना चाहिए.
So basically, you want a rumor.
Exactly.
I want to marry an intelligent girl. I know it's hard to find. I have to search another planet for it.
Okay.
But I'll marry her.
You have to say something about this.
No.
Yeah, we know that girls do not have brains.
Shut up.
What type of boy you want to be?
Tall, handsome.
Of course.
No.
Tall and
never,
handsome.
Never.
Okay, tall, handsome, and
And
Wearing blue shirt and
black
blue
shirt.
jeans.
don't you want a rich guy or something like this?
Not that much rich.
Okay, but
Middle class.
Middle class.
okay, middle class is your type.
I love straight hairs, beautiful ho, educated ho.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, don't you want somebody hot and sexy?
Hot and sexy तो आजकल हर कोई है.
ऐसा नहीं है यार.
Short dress पहन लो, hot and sexy है.
What will you do if your better half is bedding someone else?
Nothing. Tight slap.
Divorce.
Tight slap. Divorce. Firstly, I will get
Talak.
divorce.
Okay,
Divorce is my second
talak,
option.
talak.
तुम उधर जाओ, उधर चले जाएंगे. Don't worry. I think tit for tat.
It's your better half only.
So better half है तो क्या हुआ? मतलब
So what's the difference?
वो कुछ भी करे, हम कुछ ना करें.
From my side तो कान के नीचे देना है इधर के.
I will bet with someone else too.
Well, it won't happen
Why not?
because I am best in business.
Okay, so you are best in.
There's no chance that it will go with my other half.
Okay, but your other half will bet someone else. There's no chance. You will slap. Nothing else. You will dump.
क्या करेंगे हम लोग?
As Deepika Padukone says, at her choice.
Her choice.
I will
go and sleep with some other girl.
I'll first ask him everything about it,
And he says yes, I'm having sex. So you will just leave him. What start with P, end with ORN?
Porn.
It's not porn. Something else. Porn. Not porn. It could be anything else also. Why porn only? It's not an adult question. Porn. No, it's not porn.
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 You are very dirty-minded, guys. There are something else also apart porn.
Apart porn.
But we have heard only porn.
Popcorn.
Yes.
popcorn.
They have cheated, yeah. ठीक है. They have cheated.
No idea.
Okay, it's popcorn. And both of you are very dirty-minded. You can't even guess a popcorn. What will you do if you become a guy for one day?
I'll marry Katrina. That's it. I love her. As in,
She's a lesbian.
no, I'm not. No, I'm not.
I think she is.
No.
I want to know कि why a boy stares a girl.
What you will do if you become a girl for one day?
We all know what we will do. First of all, I will get naked. That's the only thing. And the second thing is
What you will do? Nothing.
Basically, it's like a girl.
We'll take a sunbath at beach wearing that bikini.
Okay, good. I got this.
मैं सलमान खान के साथ डेट पे जाना चाहूँगा.
Nothing else.
I love सलमान खान.
You love. He's a gay. One is that both.
No. Nothing like that.
For one day I would मतलब किसी भी लड़के को बेवकूफ़ बना के देखेंगे कैसा लगता है कि वो लगता है कि तुम बहुत क्यूट हो, ये इनोसेंट हो, इस टाइप से जैसे लड़कियां बोलती हैं, मोस्टली केसेस में ऐसा ही होता है। ठीक है, तो वो सब करके देखना है कि कैसा फील होता है उन लोगों को, लड़कों को उल्लू काटने में लड़कों का।
I'll become a girl. Everyone's fantasy is to marry Virat Kohli. I'll do the same.
काय फॉर वन डे, काय फॉर वन डे
तुमको छोड़ेंगे वे।
काय है तो भैंस को छेड़ेंगे।
If you become a man for one day.
मैन क्यों बनेंगे, गाय ठीक है, लड़का बनेंगे। ठीक है,
मैन
बना
फॉर
दिया।
अ वन डे, मैन फॉर अ वन डे।
यार लड़के क्या करते हैं, फ्लर्ट मारते हैं लड़कियों के साथ, वही करूँगी मैं तो।
इससे फ्लर्ट करेंगे। ऑब्वियस बात है, इससे कोई छेड़ता ही नहीं क्लास में, इतनी अच्छी है, हम लोग छेड़ेंगे ना।
हम लोग छेड़ेंगे।
Okay, what you will do?
मैं क्या करूँगी, सबसे पहले तो नाइट आउट, क्योंकि यहाँ हॉस्टल में लड़कियों को नाइट आउट नहीं मिलता।
Boys are also not allowed. They just jump.
Boys are allowed, at least they are allowed to be out till 11.
Okay.
But girls are not.
Night out.
Night out, then I didn't.
Okay.
Then flirt.
Okay.
सबसे बड़ा काम लड़कों का।
Okay.
इन लोग को देखेंगे बैठ के। ये सब बेस्ट लड़के बनेंगे।
So basically तुम ताड़ोगी लड़कियों को।
कह सकते हैं, अच्छा ताड़ना ऐसा नहीं है कि लड़के और की ताड़ सकते हैं, लड़कियां भी ताड़ती हैं, हम लोग ताड़ते हैं।
और हम लोग मतलब एक्सपीरियंस हम लोग तो करते ही हैं।
लड़कियों के पास सारे राइट्स हैं, बस यूज करना चाहिए।
Hope you like the video. Do subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.
Sick.